everyone, today we are visiting Westfield Stratford City shopping centre. This is our first visit since the lockdown was lifted. The purpose of today's visit is to go to the Samsung store because my husband wants to check out the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold2. So let's go and check it out. Car park closed. So looks like car park C is closed. We're gonna have to go around and see if we can find car park B. You see that before? Is that the queue for the Samsung store? Yep, that's the queue for the Samsung store. It's difficult to talk, isn't it? Yeah. They're not compulsory. It's not they recommend you should wear a face mask, but not everyone does.
Have you got the other colour?
Do you want to have a look at the other colour?
I want, because I pre-ordered it and I just want to check out, but I want to look at the black as well.
Wait till I put it away. There you are, man. Have a little hands on.
Thank you.
When did you order it?
On the day, the 1st of September.
The day it came out?
Yeah, the moment you went live.
Fair enough. So what are your impressions so far and what do you think of it compared to the old one?
It looks amazing so far. I mean, the other one was a bit flimsy looking. All the reviews and everything I'm seeing now, it's kind of meeting my expectations. Really.
Every Fold user that Samsung listened to, all the issues, not even issues, all the kinks they wanted addressed.
It looks like it's been addressed here. My only worry was the cameras a bit. Wasn't the Note 20's cameras?
So the Note 20 cameras and the S1, they've got the 108 megapixel.
Yeah.
So you've got 12, 12 and 12, but you do have dual pixel on the 12 megapixel.
I was a bit worried about that, but I think I've come around to it.
In terms of, so we've got a Note 20 Ultra. If you want to launch the camera, you can actually directly compare them. You'll see a slight difference, obviously, in terms of quality, but
I've seen the reviews. The camera doesn't look so bad.
I'll let you hold that one. So that's on the 108 megapixel sensor there, and that will be set to its height.
Actually, this one This one looks.
Fold looks better.
Yeah.
Somehow.
You see, there's going to be. You see how it's blurred out in the background?
Yeah.
Because that 108 megapixel sensor wants to get as much detail and clarity, whereas the 12 megapixel dual one is going to be looking for as much clarity in the whole photo.
It's more focused, isn't it?
It automatically changes around.
The flex mode.
Oh, I see. Looks
So,
good.
The way you play around it, it's actually a lot
so you take
easier.
a photo and then the photo comes over here. Oh, what's it doing?
You're a single take, that's why.
How is it?
Oh.
You can preview it live here, which is really good.
Always comes up that annoying tutorial. Then yeah, and then you have it folded over. You have it land table portrait, so it's like essentially like a little laptop.
Yeah.
Worried because I'm used to the pen so much. I use the pen on Note 10. That's how I'm going to get around that.
And what sort of things do you like mainly use it
I
for?
do a lot of sketches, sketches and stuff like that. So which I know I can't do now. Unless I do with my finger, which is not going to be the same. Can I just see the colour first?
It's a much more striking colour than that black.
Actually, it's nicer than the
It
pictures.
looks a lot more premium as well.
Yeah,
When you
yeah.
actually see it in person, it is nice. Just the way that the light hits it, you get that real gold sort of glare on it.
In the picture, it looks more like a rosy, pinky.
It has that shine
It's
to
like
it.
a dead sort of brown in a bronze
Yeah.
colour, but
When you see the light refracting from it, it's
Yeah.
so,
Because
the feel of it, it's
Yeah.
soft, premium metal.
Yeah.
And as well, it's even coated with Gorilla Glass 6
Yeah.
as well. So you've got that extra layer.
I hear they didn't put the same glass on the front and the back.
They haven't, no. So it's Gorilla Glass 6 and it's Gorilla Glass
7.
4.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And look, so you got the front screen, and that's like a phone in itself,
Yeah.
full phone. And then obviously when you open, you got
I'll bring the old one out for comparison. So that's the front
Yeah,
screen
yeah.
on the old one.
I've-
So from the 4.9 to a 6.2 inch.
Oh, actually, that's a huge improvement, isn't it?
yeah. So
It's much bigger.
and also on the inside, you got a big notch.
As well, even like the hinge. So it only
Yeah,
works when it's folded
That's it. It doesn't.
or when it's unfolded.
Yeah, and you got
Yeah.
that ugly.
Oh,
Like
yeah.
really, when you're viewing content, like if you go into a YouTube video on this one here,
Yeah.
it takes its
How
time.
much is that going for now?
So this one's still 1900. That's because it comes with the buds, the case, and the Care Plus. And
That's another disappointment. This is coming with nothing.
it's just the phone in the box. It's taking its time. Yeah, essentially, whenever you're in any sort of viewing, that big corner is taken out. Whereas
Yeah.
now, like on a black screen like that, you don't even
You've
know.
only got a tiny camera here. See?
Yeah. It's much better.
It's much bigger, it's much better, it's
Yeah.
much stronger. That's a phone screen that folds in half.
Yeah.
Like I can't compute that in my brain still. Like I've been told exactly how it works, but it's a screen that folds in half. It's technology that I didn't even think that I would really see properly this early in my life.
Yeah.
True.
And now it's as incredible as it is on the Fold 2.
It's an amazing engineering feat.
Very, very impressive. I remember in training they told us it has over 100,000 working parts in the hinge itself. It's a very, very
It's like a
complex
watch.
hinge.
Yeah. It's like a luxury watch.
It has like a little microfiber dust part, like the little microscopic brushes that keeps out all the dust
All the
parts.
dust. Yeah. It's like a.
From the screen.
Like in the hinge.
Oh, hinge,
no debris
okay.
gets in there and like. So
It's like they copied it from a Hoover or something, isn't it?
I think it was Dyson technology.
Oh, wow. That's fascinating.
So Samsung Notes as the first.
Watch this here. Watch this.
Calculator will pop on the side, and then we'll go for a YouTube video just because why not?
Yeah.
So it's a lot more fluid and easy to do.
You've got three things, and then you can change the way they're laid out.
And as well, you'll see on the actual Smart Select, you can actually choose pairings of apps that have open at once.
Yeah.
So if you're constantly watching YouTube videos whilst doing your emails and then writing notes down, you can have that straight open. So it's one tap, all three apps open.
And you can save them as well as the combos that you use, isn't it?
And you have to take it back into. It's very awkward to like relay it once it's already on there.
Right, yeah, because it's in terms of demos. Should be able to do it by now, but
It's because it's stuck in retail mode, so that's the most annoying
right,
thing.
yeah.
Where it's stuck in there, we can't always do some of the features that come with the phone.
so this one, if I get another one, say if I get and then now you can have YouTube going on one place.
Because that's all as big as you're going to get on like any phone.
Yeah.
Like, put it on there just for its retail
So
mode.
I just want to show you, yeah. So if you're on YouTube and you're watching something, yeah, you fold it, you fold it, you can do the comments and all that stuff on the bottom bit.
Yeah.
So you can go to comments.
That's comments turned off.
Yeah. It's funny when I picked. And when you close
It's all the
it,
sort of features that you wouldn't even think of
Yeah,
until someone did it. You think, wow, that's really clever.
Yeah.
when you close it, I don't know if it'll continue, but normally you can
Retail mode stops
you
it from
can
doing
send it to continue on that front, or you can have something on the front.
I'll show you this. It's essentially the same way that it works.
Yeah.
Bring this one out. So I always start on the folded screen. YouTube on here. Yeah, any video that you have on here, I'll wait for the ad to go past. As always, we're in a demo on the phone. You can't get past that. So when you have that one in full screen, say you're watching like so, opening up the phone, there's no sound or video interruption.
Yeah, it continues.
The same for going back as well.
And then you can continue on the front.
Yeah.
And then with this one as well, you can put it on a table, and you can watch videos on this one.
Tent mode.
Tent mode, yeah. It's on this color now. That's one thing for definite.
So you get a lot of like a black phone. Every phone that's ever been released came in black.
Every phone I've had for the last how many years, all of them have been notes, all been black. So it's about time.
It's a very different and very standout sort of
Yeah.
colour.
It's got a microphone in there, isn't it?
Any older? What's the oldest smartphone?
Okay, now that's brilliant. I'm so impressed with it.
So just the S10 is the
But you're just waiting.